Hello everyone, I'm back and we're doing some back testing. So I've got the Euro US dollar 1 hour chart up here. So current P&L I'm down $544. For anyone that hasn't seen this stuff before, it's called Forex Tester 3. So it's actually a dedicated software for back testing. So it's not like using TradingView or anything like that. You can actually get, everything here is at your disposal. It's not that expensive. It's about $300 US. That's the link in my description section where you can save $50 as well. But what it lets you do is experiment, trial, refine strategies before you jump into the live markets, and it lets you do it a lot quicker. So as you can see on this pair, this is actually the first time I back tested, a 1 hour strategy. So essentially, what it is, it's like a breakout or breakdown type strategy. So as you can see, I've attempted to buy that. That was a losing trade. I attempted to sell that. That was a losing trade. So a few fake outs, just refining the strategy. As you can see, I've made 24 total trades. 11 were profitable, 13 were losing trades. And you can see trades per month. Trades per month is around, yes, so yep, there we go. 3 trades per month. So it's not particularly that active, but you get a sense of what's going on, and return is negative 5.44 so far. Alright, so let's have a little look at how I approach things. So this would be treated like it was a live account with this amount of money. So I started with $10,000 and we'll go to the 4 hours. So as you can see, I played the breakout here of this support level that it was holding at 91.30. And we're back in 2001 here, everyone. So the 28th of August. So going back historically, tried to sell that there, didn't really work out. So we'll go back to the 1 hour. My bias is it's sideways. I've been a little aggressive, 2 failed breakout and a breakdown trade. So we'll see what the price action wants to do. We needed to push it through here pretty convincingly now. Right, so as you can see, each candlestick is 1 hour, so you exponentially increase your efficiency by doing this instead of just simulated trading. And simulated trading is very important as well before you go live. Wow, there's some activity. It's a bit of a zone. Look, I've got this up here. This was established, on the weekly chart. So that's what that's to do with that. As you can see, it's pretty messy. Go up here. So there's been some activity up here as well in regards to resistance, but we'll plot that. Okay. Let's see what it wants to do now. Probably like to see that close that gap. Oh, hasn't done that. So you can even see the day of the week, the time. It's all quite important to take note of, especially with trade entries. So you can see a little bit of pattern. Like there might not be a lot of setups presented on the Monday and the Friday. So when you are in the real world in regards to a live account or demo trading, you can use that data to help you. Alright, what I want to see is how far that candle is. That's 77 pips. So my win rate is 47% currently as well. I'm going to take this. It's, I'm just going to take it. A little bit better than a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Go 5 pips below there, 68. I'm implementing a trailing stop as well. Alright, so 89.96. If you'd like this Excel spreadsheet, I can send it through as well. Stop loss. It's at 90.64. Keeping it 2% risk, 945. So I'm gonna make sure you adjust that as well. I'll probably, go for about 10 minutes or so and just see how we go. So I'll run that up 0.28 lots. Just make sure that's not particularly nice. Seeing Perth here today is also perfect for some back testing. Alright, like I said, link in the description section if you like a copy at a discount. This just really, you have to understand trading. The easiest thing to do is lose money quickly. So I know I chirp on a lot about that. Yeah, so that's what you want to see. So we've got the stop loss here, and I will trail it. I either close out if price goes above the 20-day moving average, or it hits the trailing exit. So, and I'll close that out, and there we go. So that's pretty nice. That's $311. Take a screenshot. I might try and get another trade in as well. We'll see where this goes. If I was completely discretionary about that, you could probably let it go some more. It wouldn't have taken out the trailing. Yeah, so it's sort of, when this happens here, and it's sort of treading water, and it's going sideways, it's going to have to pop either way. So it would sort of look like it wanted to go lower, but it would have exited me out there anyway. So I would have made some amount of money. So nothing really much to dwell on there. The trick is not to go backspace and to cheat. You've just got to be quite disciplined with this. We'll see if I can get another trade here. Might be able to get another sell trade. Now it's a little bit wishy-washy and very choppy. So we'll go back to the 4 hour, back to the daily. It's got to break through here for me to get interested in another buy trade. Yeah, see what I mean? It's caught up in here. It's going to get range bound normally. We'll go to 10 minutes and we'll see if we can get another trade in. Just helps to clarify my thesis for a trade entry. There's a lot of that going on. See, and that's during the Asian session. So I've got this at GMT +8. So I've got it in the Perth time zone. So you can see, there's really no need for you to wake up at like 5 in the morning Perth time, like, oh my god, I'm gonna trade. I'm a full-time trader. It's just you're wasting your time, and you're getting sleep deprived for no good reason. This right here is the first break. I'm just gonna let it retest, and it doesn't. Does it take off? See, my issue is, you might get that break, but that's sort of, a little bit of a fake out. But sometimes it's not, and it wasn't. So, and it's sort of taken off. So we get a retest. It had a bit of a bounce off an intraday support level there. And cue the Asian session. That was even during the European session. There was that real tightening. Usually you'll see this sort of stuff before a news event comes out. So whether that's US related or European Union related. So that's something you can definitely tell. Pretty choppy. So I'm not too disappointed. But as you can see, like I wasn't really keen to get in on that trade because it's a zone. As you can see, it sort of tried before and failed, and this is, it closed relatively well above this resistance zone. But I really like to see a retest. That's a little bit higher probability of winning than, as you can see, it's gone a bit parabolic now. Alright, we're approaching 10 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom out. It's probably going to approach a sell trade, but I don't want to drag this on. I'll put this up and I'll continue trading, testing this, and I will have another update video tomorrow just to see how the market's open. Good luck, everyone, and happy trading. Bye for now.